How's it going, bros? My name is Peter Pan, and today we're gonna play Guys, it's my new girlfriend. Might say I'm sorry. This is my new girlfriend. Do it! Just do it! Just do it! Where were you when this happened? Guys, this is bullshit. Stop doing this. Where were you when it happened? This reminds me of my childhood. Stop this. Stop it. I am disgusted by this content. It makes me sick. It makes me wanna. Whoa! You look good. You look good. Have you been working out? Can I touch you? Ew. 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 You're fat. You're skinny. You look good. You look like shit. You look like a piece of trash. You look like a trash can. Are you a trash can? You look like trash. You smell like shit. You smell like someone vomited. You disgust me. You make me want to kill myself. Work the fuck out. Have you heard of exercise? It's good for you. Whatever your mom says about you, it's all true. Listen to your mother. Oh, you feel how soft this is? It's so soft. Oh, it feels so good to touch. It's so smooth. Oh boy, I could do this all day. All day I can do up and down. My arm doesn't even get tired. Oh, this feels great. This feels fantastic. I love it. Look what I have in my hand. I bet you're jealous, haters. Well, guess what? I got two of them. Bitch. How's it going? My name is Peter Pan. And when I was a young boy, this was me. Fuck you. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you! You know what? Fuck you! That's right. You see this? Disgusting! Ugh. My name is Peter Pan, and I approve of this message.